Welcome. In front of me is a KAZAM Tornado 350, and I'll show you how to insert SIM card and memory card. Now this device actually takes two SIM cards, but for the purpose of this, I'm just gonna use one. And we're gonna start with the SIM card, which is on the left side of the phone. As you can see right here. So you can grab the SIM eject tool that it usually comes with the phone and just squeeze it in there till the tray pops out, like right now. Then you can just pull it out all the way, and as you can see, there's two spaces, so you can put two different cards, just not this size, which kind of complicates things. Oh, I have one. Okay, so a little bit of fixing up, and voila. Okay, so once you have not the smallest size, just the second one, you can put it in here till it sits flush, as you can see. And then you can just take it back and slide it in. Okay, and then same goes for the memory card. It's on the right side, so you also have this little thing here. Just put it in and squeeze it out there, like so. As you can see, it popped out, so just pull it out all the way, and then this memory card. So I'm gonna put it in, and I think it goes like this. Oh, okay, as you can see, it lays like this, and take it back and just slide it back in all the way. And now it asks me for a pin for the card, so okay, close. As you can see, both of them are working. The card, the memory card and the SIM card are both registered, and yeah, so this is how you insert a SIM card and memory card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.